Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My topic is about consciousness in the recent dispute in the South China Sea. Now, last year, it was televised that there was a standoff between the Philippines and another country. Now, it makes me wonder why some of us are still not bothered, aware, or alarmed about this recent event. Now, it's not my intention to raise anger against this other country, but rather to raise consciousness among our people about this subject matter. I would like to give my three opinions on why should we be concerned about this issue. My first opinion is it concerns our national security. If the tensions between the Philippines and this another country gets worse, and the peace and stability in the region is jeopardized, then it will greatly affect our country. Second, it concerns our sovereignty. As I have mentioned before, if the tension gets worse, then automatically our sovereignty is under threat, and it is a major problem for us. And last but not the least, we, being a civilized nation, we should focus ourselves on what is important, because this dispute should not be taken lightly and should be addressed accordingly, because it concerns our national security and our relationship to other countries. Thank you.